Hello YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. Excuse me. Right, I've had a bit of a tidy up around my desk, so let's just get this out of the way. Got some handy little buckets to put my things in. Got my picks all in one area there. I bought myself a new working mat, one of the big ones, A1. I've got my pin maker just there, and that there drill is a replacement for last fortnight when I got flooded out by my neighbours, so I needed a new drill, so that was the excuse. I've got some more boxes just there, pens and shit. They're all my pliers. I've got some, come here, some files. And what I'm going to do today, get rid of this fog, excuse me. This is what happens when you rush. Now, I've been trying to make some challenge locks, and this is an ERA I've cut in half, and I was doing 3 or 4 at the same time, so let's pull this one out. No, that's stuck in there, I thought it was. Can you see the difference? Well, just in case you can't, that there's silver, and it should be a brass. I've put the wrong core in there, and of course the holes don't line up. So what I've got to do now is take my drill and drill all that lot out, and on its other half, the only thing I can think of is I was doing some pinning pins, and I think the pin is longer than it should be, hence why this is all loose, but it just won't go that extra little bit. So that's number 2. I got 3 or 4 in one of them red bins, and this is what happens when you rush yourself. And I don't rush normally. So there's just a few of me locks. These are all unions. They're keyed alike, and these two are keyed alike. They're all about 20 years or more old. It's a bit matty. And the rest are locks that I collect. This one was from Paul, everyone knows Paul. And that one was from Paul, and that one was from Paul, and that one was Paul. And that one was from Paul. And that one is part of my collection, and now, was it Boy Bilbo? No, it wasn't Boy Bilbo, it was Leon. He gave me a core for this one, and that made it whole again. Right, as a quick recap on what I've been doing, I'm going to have a go at making some picks. So I've got some pieces of wood. I'm going to get a couple of these locks out first, then I'm going to go to do some picks. I've got a couple of blades here that I've made up, and then I should be getting back into it again. I've had good results on the operation scar. It's started to heal up, but there's doubt about what happens next. I'll tell you later when I know more myself. I'm going to try and make a couple of picks out of these baby deer antlers. So that's all from now. Hope everyone's well. Keep following, don't give up on me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Vix Pick and Lock.